Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the regression analysis. The regression analysis is used to estimate the relationship between two or more variables. Dependent variable is the main factor. So let's see the example for the regression. So this is the example for the regression. Let's suppose we have some years, and what we are looking in the years, they given the summer temperature. This is summer temperature for every year. In 2010 we have maximum temperature is 52, 11 we have 54, then 12 we have 39, and also we have right now on the 2020 we have a 31 is the maximum temperature. And next column is for the AC sold. How many AC sold? Basis on the temperature. If my temperature is high, my AC sold is high. AC demand is high. So we need to publish the relationship between the both of these data, because the summer temperature and AC both are the dependent. AC sold is dependent on the summer temperature. Okay, so summer temperature is my independent and AC sold is my dependent variable. Because if summer temperature is high, then AC sold be high. Okay, so we need to create some analysis here. So now you can see this is the relationship in the below. We have the relationship AC sold versus temperature. Also we have some the regression analysis here, multiple R squares, regressions, okay, standard deviation, differentiate, okay, MS, F, residuals. So how to calculate, how to rectify this intercept, okay, because we have to find out the coefficient and the p value, lower upper value, lower 95% and the upper 95%. This is all the regression analysis, and this is the simple trick to calculate these all the probability. Okay, also you can see here in the last I created some chart here. AC sold residual temperature, because if your temperature is high, your sold is increased. You can see in these charts. Okay, in these charts, summer temperature and AC sold is here. Okay, my summer temperature is high, my AC sold is going high. Okay, the predicted summer temperature also given here. Next, we have the normal probability plot. In the probability plot, they are showing the probability of the temperature. My temperature is going high. Okay, so they will be showing the probability of the temperature. Okay, so how to find out these interspect and the regressions, we will see in this session. Okay, so I'm opening the same example here. This is the same example. Summer temperature we have, years, and the AC sold. We need to calculate the regression. Okay, so how to add the regression tab? Go to the customize the ribbon, and in the customize the ribbon we have the add-ins options. In the add-ins option you need to go to the Excel add-ins. Okay, then go. Now see here analysis toolpath is here, then press the OK. Okay, if you press the OK, now see here in the data tab we have the data analysis toolpath. Okay, so it's not here because I think so. We're again going into data analysis toolpath. Okay, then again adding the same data analysis. Okay, uncheck and okay. If data analysis toolpath is not visible, to do one thing, go to the add-ins again, then press check, then uncheck. Okay, because sometimes, now see here I press the check, and now data analysis toolpath is added here. Now see here, this is the data analysis. In the data tab, click on the data analysis. Okay, so whenever you pressing the data analysis tab, then one pop-up will become for the, let's suppose I'm looking for the which analysis. You're looking for the histogram analysis, you're looking for descriptive statistics, you're looking for the moving average. All the analysis will become in this data analysis toolbar. You need to select regression, because right now we are doing the regression. We need to calculate the dependent and independent variables. Okay, then press OK. Now see here, one pop-up is coming for the regression. They are saying input range for y. Y is your independent variable, and then they are saying x variable. This is your x. Okay, again I'm selecting this one because I'm also selecting the summer temperature header. Okay, B1 to B2, next B12 and C1 to C12. Next we have a labels. We have constant is 0, no. Confidence level, we have the 95%. I'm checking the on, and output range where you want to plot this data. So I'm plotting here. You can also select the new workbook. Okay, and the new workbook also. Residuals, you want standardization residuals, residual plots, line fit plots, normal probability plots. I'm checking the all. Then okay. Now see here, one data analysis automatically will be done here. Okay, because I selected the confidence level 0. That's the reason it's giving the hash and okay, again I'm doing the same. Okay, they go to the data analysis, regression, then confidence level is not the 0. Then okay. Okay, now see here, because I selected now not the constant variable 0, because the introspect is going less than 0. That's the reason it's giving the hash and now see here, we have the all data regression statics here, multiple r square, adjust r square, standard error. We have regressions, we have standard deviation, and the residuals. We have introspect, AC sold is here. Also we have three charts basis on your data. Four charts we have. Okay, I'm giving one by one here. Okay, then second is here. Okay, first they are saying the chart is related to. Okay, now see the first chart here. First chart is AC sold residual plot. Okay, we have two residual plots because I checked the both one is AC residual plots. Okay, according to your data, they all the charts are related to your data, and they all are showing the, if your summer is going high, your AC requirement is also going high. Now see here, the predicted summer temperature is going here more dark, and blue is also dark. Means your summer is on the peak, and your AC sold is also on the peak. Okay, so this is very useful when you're doing some relationship. You have to show the relationship between the both data, and then you can use the regression analysis, and you can easily show if your summer is high, your temperature is high, or ACC sold is high. If another example is rain and the umbrella. Rain and the umbrella both have the same relationship. If your rain is heavy, your umbrella demand is going high. So that's the reason we are using the regression analysis, and it is very useful because we are doing some predictive analysis with the help of the regressions in the advanced excels also. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe my channel Shamjika Gyan. Thank you.